HP Thunderbolt 4 Ultra 280-watt G6 dock review. One cable replaces your entire desktop.
Ever sit down at your desk and spend 5 minutes plugging in cables? Monitor, mouse, keyboard, Ethernet, charger, external drive, just to start working? One creative professional counted 9 separate cables cluttering her desk. 9! Every morning felt like solving a puzzle before coffee. You're juggling dongles, USB hubs stacked on USB hubs, and praying nothing disconnects mid-presentation. Sound familiar? How many cables are currently tangled under your desk right now? Every cable mess costs you time untangling adapters, mental energy tracking which port does what, and desk space you'll never get back. That brain fog when something stops working and you don't know which connection failed. You've tried basic USB hubs. They can't handle charging plus monitors plus peripherals simultaneously. There must be a calmer, smarter way to connect everything at once. One cable, full power, zero compromise. You get instant one-cable desktop transformation, calmer mornings without cable chaos, faster connect-disconnect workflow, and sharper professional setup with up to 4 4K displays plus full charging. Thousands of professionals in IT departments already rely on the HP Thunderbolt 4 Ultra 280-watt G6 dock daily for eliminating desk clutter while maximizing productivity. Results may vary based on laptop specifications and operating system. The transformation from cable nightmare to one-plug simplicity starts immediately. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment for full specs and current availability. Experience the difference of true single cable freedom today. Then everything changed when I found the HP Thunderbolt 4 Ultra 280-watt G6 dock. Don't just pick any docking station. Make sure it has genuine Thunderbolt 4 certification with 280 watts total power delivery, so you never waste time on insufficient charging, dropped monitors, or device disconnects literally everyone complains about again. This professional-grade dock connects your entire desktop through one single Thunderbolt cable, up to 4 4K displays simultaneously, 8 USB ports, Gigabit Ethernet, audio, and delivers 140 watts laptop charging that keeps even power-hungry workstations fully charged under heavy load. The included DKZ hub adds front-facing quick-access ports for flash drives and headphones. One video editor was seconds from missing a client deadline, laptop dying during final render, until she plugged into this dock. Instant full-speed charging, render completed, deadline saved. The relief of one cable simplicity, the clarity of zero cable management, the speed of instant connect-disconnect. Here's what surprised me. Even high-end MacBooks, Dell XPS, Lenovo ThinkPads work perfectly. You're transforming any laptop into a complete workstation in 1 second. Drop cable if you're drowning in desk clutter right now. Immediate benefit. You reclaim hours weekly previously wasted managing cable chaos because you're connecting everything through one certified Thunderbolt 4 cable. That time saved strengthens your focus. You're starting work instantly, not troubleshooting connections. Better daily control means you disconnect and reconnect in literal seconds for seamless hot desking or work from anywhere flexibility. Measurable results. One IT administrator deployed 200 units across their enterprise and saw help desk tickets related to docking issues drop 60% immediately. An industry analyst confirmed that 280 watts power delivery eliminates separate chargers for mobile workstations, genuine operational benefits, and lower total cost of ownership. Independent tech reviewers tested it with HP ZBooks, MacBook Pros, and Dell Latitudes, reporting rock-solid stability with zero disconnects, display flickering, or charging problems across 3 months of daily use. I noticed after 1 week, my morning routine went from cable puzzle to one-plug simplicity. Worried about compatibility? Works universally with any Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, or USB-C laptop from any brand. HP, Dell, Lenovo, Apple, Asus, Microsoft Surface. Concerned about price? Consider this.
Eliminating separate chargers, USB hubs, and display adapters means the dock pays for itself while delivering enterprise-grade reliability and HP Sure Start firmware security. Ever wonder why Fortune 500 IT departments standardize on single cable docking solutions? Because cable chaos kills productivity. What's costing you more, time or desk space?
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.